I've been speaking for a while now and my mic had been off, so I need to start this. Welcome back again to this channel. Today I just have a few updates with regards to the Zoomaa app. And today I got a good news that the app is live and it's live for distribution on the App Store. Yeah, I'm happy a little bit concerning that. I had an initial doubt that this app will be accepted on the App Store because I thought this app required my Apple account to be a developer account, right? Sorry, to be an organization account. But um, I later got to know that this app doesn't fall under the category of applications that require an organization account for it to be accepted, right? Because I had registered this app under my developer account, my personal account. So when I heard the news that the app got accepted, then it just confirmed that fact to me that I don't need this app to be an organization. Sorry, I don't need my account on Apple to be an organization for it to be accepted, right? So that is it for the Zoomaa partner app. So if you go to App Store and type Zoomaa partner, you would scroll some few apps, you'll see the Zoomaa partner app and download it. So that is great for it. With regards to the Zoomaa app itself, the customer facing app, I got a rejection. I got a rejection on two bases. The first base was that the screenshots of the app that I uploaded contained some marketing material. So I just placed some objects there, AI generated content on the screenshot. So the rule is that I shouldn't put those objects on the screenshot. The screenshot should be just the app, right? So I I I took those screenshots down and I re-uploaded just the normal screenshots of the app on App Store. The second concern was with regards to what was it even? They said the account I gave them doesn't have any data on the app, right? So they require that I perform some actions on the app for them to see the functionality of the app, right? So I just took the app and I made some few orders on the app so that some data are populated in the app, right? So when I did that, I submitted it. So I'm still waiting for the review concerning that. Um, Probably it's going to take like 1 or 2 days for them to give me an update concerning it. I'm still waiting concerning with regards to that. The Play Store submission, the Play Store and App Store, the App Store submission. For the Play Store, it's just going to take 2 weeks because I uploaded it last 2 days, and Play Store required the app to be in closed testing for 2 weeks, right? So you need 12 testers, and the app needs to be in closed testing for a period of uh, 2 weeks. Yeah, so 14 days. So that is it. So I'm just waiting for the Play Store. I know the Play Store will eventually come out to be good. So that is it for the Play Store. Yeah. So what is the future for this app and this company? Um, the future is in multiple steps. First, I plan to get recognition and adoption, right, by the major players in Ghana. What I mean by that is STC, OA, probably Metro Mass. These are the big transportation companies in Ghana. So my number one motive or objective is to get them on the app. Is to also get the app into the hands of users to start using the app. So once I get the major players on the app, then the customers will follow suit, right? Because they get the app, they get the customers to download the app and order the trips through the app, right? And that is how it works. So that is the first goal, adoption. The second is trust. So the users need to be able to trust the app security and its functionality. So with regards to its functionalities, the app needs to do what it says it does properly, right, and well, so flawlessly. They said a good design is a design that is barely noticed, right? So if something is good enough, um, there wouldn't be problems on it, right? So when people use it, they don't even know that uh, it's just seamless. They just use it without any problems. So yeah, so the features on the app need to be good. The app needs to be resilient. It needs to be highly available for people to use at any time. And since I'm handling payments on the app needs to be secure, right? So I need to build it so robust that uh, hackers don't attack the app, right? So that is on top of my list. It's the security of the app, because I'm handling money, so the money of both the transport companies and the and the customers, right? So the app needs to be highly secure. So I've been working on that, like iterating over that for quite some time. So yeah, adoption, trust, and also like I plan for the app to be spread across multiple countries surrounding Ghana, right? So I would say the app to be used in multiple countries. So cross travel, right? Cross travel between multiple countries, right? So that was one feature that I thought I had locked down, right? Because I spent some time building that feature on the application. I had to solve the block on the wall problem. So if you go to terminals, like airport terminals, and you go to book, or even you have the app to book, regardless of the location you are, they are able to display an accurate time of departure of the flight, right? And you base on that time to onboard on the flight. So that is one major problem uh, when it comes to allowing travel between different time zones, right? So that is one problem. So initially, the solution I gave that was, okay, I'm just going to use the current time at the user's location to, and correlate that with the trip, right? And it became very messy quickly. Uh, then I did a little bit of research concerning that, and I figured it out. I need to use the time of departure, right? The time of departure. So any trip, no matter, regardless of where the user is or where the trip was created from, the single source of truth in regards to time of departure, right, is the time of the location of departure, right? So the start the start location of the trip, right? The departure location, right, of the trip. So that is the single source of truth. So every other time in the world will be relative to that particular time, right? So so I solved that problem by using that. So the location of departure is time. Then uh, so I get that time and I lock it down. So wherever the user is viewing the tickets or like wants to book the trip, right? They whatever time zone they are in, that the time that gets displayed to them is relative to the actual time of the location that the trip is starting from, right? So in that case, we are able to get it accurately. We're able to get the time accurate so that we don't run into problems like you know cancellation of trips and all of that, loss of money, due to the fact that we haven't actually built a robust system enough to convert time, right? Which is a simple feature that should be a simple problem that should have been solved and should be working flawlessly, right? I built that in the first iteration, then on multiple successions of iterations, I improved upon that and I got it perfect. The reason why I had to solve that problem is initially I had built the app for just Ghana, and I noticed, okay, if I'm going to allow other countries cross-country travel, then I have to solve that the time zone problem, right? So that brought to me having to deal with what solving the problem with regards to time, right? So yeah, so that is it for that feature. And now um, I'm just refining some UI, the UI, right? I need to get the UI also pretty good, like the user interface and the user experience, right? The experience has to some part also has to do with the UI. So I'm refining the UI while the app is in review, right? So once both apps are live both on the Play Store and the App Store, I would release the updates so that the users uh, re-download the updates. Yeah. So these are just some few things. To recap, the objective, like the future of this app, is first adoption, then again the trust, then inter-country travels. Yeah. So these are the three things that are main on my list, and I hope to tackle all of them as this project continues. So stay tuned to my channel, and I'll bring you updates with regards to anything that I am encountering while on this journey. Take care and have a nice day.